Hi guys, hi everyone, hi everyone, hi guys. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much for joining in. Feels lovely to have you again today here. Hey, hi Rishan, hi Jordan, hi, how are you? Thank you so much for joining in, guys. It's so great to have you here back again today. So today we are back again, guys. I missed you yesterday. I missed yesterday. I was just feeling unwell, but lovely to have you guys back again today. So, hi everyone. Thank you for joining in. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. So, Brianna, your girl, we are back again today. And what we are back again with is binary options trading, like as we always do usually. Yes. Thank you for being fine. Thank you for being okay. Like I said, what we do is binary options, and today I think I'm a bit late. I'm a bit late than usual, but I had just some technical issues going on here and there. But whatever, let's not waste no time. Let's just dive. Yeah. Let us just dive. So what we are going to do for our first, not our first hour, until we are halfway our stream. I'm going to do the 30 seconds trading until maybe at the next hour, then I'll switch to 1 minute. But for now, we are going to deal with 30 seconds. So, guys, tell me about your day. Those who are having an evening, those who are having a morning, good morning. Those who are having evenings, good evenings. Those who are having nights, how was your day? You tell how was your day? How was everything going on? Anyway, guys, so let's just begin and dive in. Let's just begin and dive in. We are so late already. We are so late already, guys. Thank you guys for joining in. Those who are new here, it's Brianna, and all we do here is binary options trading. That is all we do. That is all we do. So today, let us see what the market has for us. Let us see what the market has for us. Guys, like I said here, feel free to ask anything, feel free to interact with me, anything you want to know. And like guys, I've always been promising here and there about the Telegram. Yes, I did pin it there. I did pin my Telegram. Finally, after a long wait, after a lot of promising and all that, I finally put it there. Okay, that is a good start. I finally put it there again. So just go to my description. There is a Telegram link, so you're going to be able to talk to me. For now, I think for the trading together part, that is, we are going to do it next week. We are going to begin it next week. But this week, what you're going to do is just a little bit of personal trading, a little bit of interactions. Then we shall begin trading together next week. Yes, guys, we shall begin trading together next week. Let's dive in. Those who are new here, guys, thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is so lovely. It is so lovely. It's so lovely to have each and every one. Okay. All right. So let's go. Let us keep going. Let us keep going. Let us keep going. Okay, that was a good one. I didn't expect it, but that was a good one. That was a good one. So let us keep going. Let us keep going. Hi, everyone. Hi, Nendra. Is it Nendra? Guys, like I said, for me, when I do pronounce your name wrong, I really feel sad about it. I don't like pronouncing people's names wrong. So when I really pronounce your name wrong, I really feel sad about it. So, guys, just pardon me. It is Narendra. Sorry, it's Narendra. Hi, Narendra. How are you? How are you? Thank you so much for joining in, guys. Those who are new here, it's binary options trading. Thank you so much for joining. Like I said, today what we're going to first do, our first hour is going to be a 30-minute trade. Like we're going to trade 30 seconds. But after in our second hour, since we are late, I just want to catch up a little bit. And when I do these little entries, it helps me to kind of be able to open very many entries at the same time. So just for our first hour. Then in our second hour, we are going to be able to switch back to we are going to be able to switch back to what? You're going to be able to switch back to our 1 minute trading. Hi, Jidan. You want to see my, okay, someone wants to see that. Is it moving average settings? All right, no problem. Here they go. Here they are. Is it okay? Okay, that is it. Let's keep going, guys. I'm sorry, I'm so late. And today, yesterday I did miss out, and today I'm so late. Yesterday I was not feeling well. Today I had technical issues, and I always promise, like I'm always live each and every day. I'm always live. Yes, I'm always live each and every day, but like I always said, unless otherwise, unless there is some kind of unavoidable circumstance, but I always try to be live. I always try my best. And yes, we always live each and every day. And we do personal trading for now, which we're going to kind of adjust next week. Because I always promised if at all we do hit the 1,000 subscribers, then we're going to adjust. Maybe we'll introduce a few donations and we could do a little bit of trading together, things like that. But that is going to begin next week. Like I promised you, I also kept on promising after we hit 1,000 subscribers. Okay, that's a good one. I'm also going to be able to pin my words, to pin my Telegram. That's what I did. No, someone is like super trend. I think it's set to my super trend is set to default. Let me show you. Let me show you. But basically, yeah. Basically, yeah. Okay. That is it, Jordan. I hope that's what you're asking. So let us keep going. Hi, Risan. Guys, thank you so much for joining in. Feels so good to have each and every one of you here. And guys, like I said, for me, I would love to interact with each and every one. It could be personal, it could be about trade, it could be about anything. Just send me your message. Just send me a message in the chat section. You can even just tell me where you're from and drop a flag, and that is all. And tell me I'm from Pakistan, I'm from India, I'm from Nigeria, I'm from anywhere. Feel free. Feel free, guys. Feel free to ask me. All right, let us keep going. Let us keep going, guys. Let us keep it going. Like I said in our okay, it's okay. It's all good, Jordan. It's all good. Like I said in our next hour, we shall be able to do the normal trading we always do, but just because today we are late, so I just wanted to catch up with it. I to catch up and make up for the time I had missed. So that's why I'm trying to open a little more trades here and there. Today I'm going to set my target not to too much. I'm just going to set it to 10,000. Yes, today I'm going to set it to 10,000. So, guys, if you want to see us hit the 10,000, just stick around. It is always not easy for me if I told her I set maybe a higher amount, there is a way it works out very easily. Like it is easy for me to reach 10,000 if I set maybe to 15 or 20. It's easy for me to reach 10. It's easy for me to reach 10. But if I do set it to 10, it takes me a lot to reach 10. I don't know why it is always like that. It really takes me a lot to reach 10, but yet when I'm only setting maybe like my target is let's say 10, 20,000 today, I easily reach 10. Like markets are closed, what and what. I'm doing OTC. Yeah, I'm doing OTC. If you look closely, it is over the counter. So, and for all I know, OTC is open 24/7. So I don't know about you. I don't know about you, but for me, maybe ask other people, they will tell you. People who have been trading OTC, they will tell you it is always open 24/7. That's why I'm always telling you I'm trading live, I'm trading weekend, I'm trading on public holidays, I'm trading each and every day because I'm doing OTC. Unless there is change in markets, but for now, I feel like we are able to do OTC 24/7. Unless there is something I know, something that I don't do tell guys. Like I said, for me, it is very okay to give an opinion. It's very okay to give an opinion, guys. I don't know about the quality of the video. I don't know about the quality, but let us just keep going. I don't know if it's okay. I don't know if it's bad. Let us keep going. Let us keep going. Hi, Risan. Hi, Dominion. Thank you so much for joining in. Hi, Made to Trade. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining. You mean a lot to me. Hi, me. Actually, every time I try to read your name, I do get a hard time. I just have to zoom in. Mirino, something like that. No, it's actually Snow, Mirino, something like that. I'm so sorry if I do pronounce your name wrong, but feel free to type it for me and I'm able to maybe adjust a little bit. Hi, Rush. Is it Rash? Hi, Rash. How are you? Thank you so much for joining in, guys. I'm talking a lot and forgetting that I have to trade. Guys, thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for the positivity. Okay, did I read your name well? And I'm really sorry if I think every time I try to read your name, I do pronounce it wrong. Thank you for joining in again today. It means a lot to me. I do love it here. I do love you that you're always here. Oh, let me zoom out a bit. Let me zoom out so that I get a bigger view. Hi, Nori, right now, something like that. Eh? Nori right now, eh? Is it like that? Hey, thank you so much. Thank you for the correction. I do appreciate that you do not take offense. Okay, what's the moving average? The moving average, you want to know the indicator. The moving average is the green one. You're going to this one, which is not showing the flat. It's kind of curved. That's the moving averages. Unless you want to see the settings, but that's not the moving. You asking me about the moving average indicator as the green one, the curved one, kind of. Yes. Hi, Ivan. Thank you so much for joining in. Hi, Paul. Thank you so much. Yes, I think I'm doing great. I'm doing great for that trading for now. For me, sometimes I do brag about it and I be like, I'm going to show off my skills, I'm going to do so good. And there is that kind of disappointment that comes just immediately after the bragging. Just after the bragging, the disappointment comes in. The disappointment comes in. I'm sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. My phone was ringing. I forgot to take it off. Okay, let us proceed. Let us proceed. Let us proceed. Guys, thank you for the positivity around here. Sometimes when I talk too much, I forget to trade. I think you guys are very, very. I forgot I came here to trade and I begin jazzing and talking and a lot of talking I do. You guys. So thank you so much. I do like the positivity. Hi, Christian. Thank you so much. I feel like most of the people have not seen me like do my hair. I think ever since it is very rare to see me do my hair. Very, very rare. But someone's like, thank you so much. Because I'm tender headed. So plaiting my hair is a lot of pain to me. That's why I don't do my hair very, very often. I'm always having my natural because I'm so tender headed. I'm so tender headed. So when someone tries to touch my scalp, I feel like a lot of pain. I get sick and all that. So I restrain from doing my hair. I feel like people ask me about that. Why don't you do your hair? People talk about people doing their hair. Yeah, I'm so tender headed. So tender headed. But thank you so much. Thank you so much, you guys. I do love the positivity. Thank you so much. Okay, let's see if we can enter a trade here. Yes, like I said, for the first hour we're going to do 30 minutes. Then in our next hour, I'm going to be able to trade. I always do 1 minute trading for a long time. If I feel like I join in on time. But these days I'm always late. If I'm not having a technical issue, I'm having an issue with my camera. I don't know why it is like that. Okay, guys, like I said, feel free to ask me anything, feel free to interact with me. Feel free. I really, really, really love it. Okay. Like I said, when we reach halfway our target, I'm going to what? I'm going to adjust. So there is no reason as to why I don't adjust our trading. Let's see if this goes on well. I think I predicted this in a wrong time. But it's okay. Let's see how it goes. Let us see how it goes. Let us see how it goes. Then I'm going, if it is a good one, I'm going to adjust just there and then, guys. Feel free to ask me anything. Feel free to drop a flag. Feel free. Okay, that is a good one, and I actually not have a lot of hope in it because there was change here, but it's okay. Let me switch. Let me switch. Let's switch back to our 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute. I know I always don't choose from here, and I have to waste my time adjusting. Anyway, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. All right. So let us begin the real thing. Our thing for the day. Okay. Guys, like I said, feel free to drop me a flag. Feel free to tell me where you're watching from. Where are you guys watching me from? Where are you guys watching me from? Feel free to tell me. Hi, guys. Some of it, unfortunately, there are some people who we have a language barrier with, and I cannot definitely read your language. Yes, I would love to read out your name, maybe give a shout out to you, but then I cannot read. But anyway, hi, thank you so much for joining. It's very, very lovely to have you here. Unfortunately, I cannot read the language. I don't know which it is. I don't know if it's Telugu or something like that, but thank you so much. Guys, thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. And do not forget to someone from Poland. Thank you so much. Where am I based? I'm in Abu Dhabi right now. Guys, thank you so much for joining. And like guys, I always kept on promising you, I'm going to put the telegram, I'm going to put the telegram. Finally, I did. Yes, finally, I did pin the Telegram channel there. Okay, that is a good one. That is a good one. That's good for the fresh start. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Sarah. Finally, I did pin the Telegram there. Yes, guys, I did pin my Telegram channel, so feel free to text me or ask anything about trade. Basically, it is about trading. Yeah, feel free to ask. So let us keep going. That is good. I think that is a good start. Let us hope it stays that way because there is a way it always messes me up. Guys, like I said today, I'm only going to go for 10,000. That is my target. And if you're wondering how much I began with, I began with 1,000. So basically, I'm only aiming at a difference of 9,000. Yeah, that is it. That is it. Maybe someone was wondering, are you a full-time trader? No, I'm not a full-time trader. I'm a student as well. So yeah, of course, I cannot be a full-time trader, and I have some other things going on. If in case someone is wondering, okay, let us see how this one goes. We're having an uptrend, so that's why you always see me just buying because it is an uptrend. We're gonna print for some time. Okay, hi Miss what? Let me try to zoom out a little bit and have a larger view. Hi Milauka, something like that. My name is Milauka. Thank you so much for joining me. Hi Sarah. Hi Bam. Thank you so much for joining someone here. I cannot read your what? I cannot read your language. I don't know the language barrier. I cannot read it out. But thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much for joining in. Yes, guys, like I always say, what was so funny? Guys, like I always say, what we deal with here is only binary options. And if you're wondering what kind of platform I'm using Pocket Option. So it is pocket option trading. There is a link to the platform in my description, so you can go check it out. Maybe if you also feel like you would love to use the same platform, check it out, and then yeah, you can try it out. You can try it out. You can try it out. Let us keep going. Let us keep moving. Let us keep moving, guys. Okay. Prophet, is it prophetic generation? Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much. I'm seeing you here, guys. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the positivity. I don't feel like, guys, I can thank you enough, but I'm really, really grateful about it. And it really means a lot to me. You love trading, so do I. So do I. I do love the trading. The link to my Telegram is in my description. Yeah. I do love trading because for me, I come from a humble background. So this kind of trading has done for me some good. My side, like a lot of good things. I'm able to cater for my school. I'm able to cater for my parents. Like I'm able to do a lot of things for myself, which I don't think I would have. Yes, there are times where I do blow the money. Yes, there are times which maybe I've not shown here where I do blow the money. But then, yeah, but then I do love trading. Someone's like, you love, yes, I do love trading. So do I. If someone is asking about the link, it is in the finally, yes, I did pin it in the description to bring in money. Okay, that was a good one. I actually don't have a lot of hope in this last trade. I really did not have hope, but okay, let us keep going. Hi, India. Hi, India. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much. I love you here. I do appreciate. I do appreciate. I do appreciate. I do appreciate. Yes, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. All right. Let us keep going. Let me just hope today I do reach the target. I think like today we are moving faster than normal. I think I'm going to adjust. If I was telling 10,000, let me just anyway, let's just focus on that. I mean, yes. Let's see how it goes. Let us see how it goes. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to like. Do not forget. Do not forget. It really, really does me good. And those guys who have subscribed to the channel, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. How did, hey guys, we are moving so fast. I just don't think, I don't, yes, that someone's asking you to focus on the candlesticks. Yes, I do so much. So, today we are moving so well. Eh? Someone is like, how long have I been trading? I've not been trading for so long. I would be so honest. I would not say that I've been trading for over like 5 years. Uh, okay, okay, Forex. Okay, then I'm going to do. I'm going to do. I am going to do, but I'm not 100% correct. I just do. I just follow and I hope. I just follow my trend and I just hope it is a good one. So that is all I do. But it's okay. I'm going to be able to tell you. I'm going to be able to tell you. Someone is asking, I'll be honest with you, I don't have been trading for like over 10 years. No, I've only been trading for 3 years. Yeah, I've only been trading for 3 years. Someone is talking about my connection. I know my connection is not a good one because actually I think that's why I'm so late. Like I've said, I'm having a network issue. Someone is asking Forex. I'm going to sell in a minute. Yeah, I'm going to sell. Yeah, I am going to sell. Let's see how it goes. I will feel so bad if the first trade I've told you about and it does not come out good. Someone is asking how much have I, and I've not really. I could not say I've earned a lot so far since I'm not a full-time trader, but I've been trading. I've been doing it for some part, like as a passion. Basically, I could say roughly to around like 600,000. Yeah, I will not say I'm a millionaire or something. But since I'm a student and I have a lot going on, so there is a way life catches up and something like that. Yeah. And I do blow. I used to blow the money. Initially, I used to blow my money so bad. To be honest, I used to blow it a lot. Oh, that is a good one. I wish it is the same thing on you. I was going to feel so sad that the first trade I told you to, like I shared with you, we lost it. But let me hope it's the same results for you too. Let me hope it's the same results for you, Prophet. Okay, so let us keep going. Hi, Kebed. Hi, Kebed. How are you? Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much. Yes, I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy. I did buy. Please, can you? What do you mean, Prophet? I don't understand what you mean. What's the question? What question was it? What question did I answer? Hi everyone, guys. Thank you so much for joining in. It really means a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And guys, I will not stop asking, I will not stop requesting, guys. I really hope you subscribe to the channel. I really hope you subscribe to the channel. Those who are new here, please. I hope you subscribe to the channel and give us a like on your way. Yes, please. Okay. Hi, Min. Hi, Min. I hope I pronounced your name well. Hi, Min. How are you? Thank you so much for being. Hi, Sotek. Yes, I know someone is like very high risk, very high risk. To be honest, a very high risk, but it is worth. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. The market is starting with me. I've not really had a lot of complications. I don't know about you guys. I've not had a lot of complications. Prophet, I hope it's this. Prophet, someone who was like, I'm trading with you. VC, I hope you're having the same results as I am. As I am. Yeah, I think today the market is trying kind of to flirt with me because it is not always this friendly. It is never this friendly. It's always never this friendly. But anyway, let us keep going. Someone's like very high risk, yes, but if the risk is worth the take, it is worth the try. So I'm going to sell. It is worth it. It is worth it. So guys, maybe someone is asking about my strategy support and resistance. If you've seen, I just look at my indicators, then they show me the trend. If I tell you look closely, they always, and mostly this moving average one, it always shows me the trend. So basically I just follow the trend. Yes, it is 1 minute. Someone is asking, yes, it is 1 minute. And is it giving you the same results? Because so far not so bad on my side. I don't know. Let's just hope it stays that way. Or it changes. So, yeah, it is 1 minute. Like I was saying, what was I saying? What broker am I using? Pocket options. Pocket options. And people keep on asking me, why did you choose binary options trading? Why did you choose? Because that is what I got open to. I don't have a chance of seeing other things. So I kind of got exposed to. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about the misleading. I'm sorry about the misleading. So the first kind of trade I got exposed to was binary trading, and I kind of got rigged. Rigged. Yeah, I'm so rigged. So that's why I only do binary options because I'm a rigged person in my head. I'm obsessed with only binary options. Oh, that's what I was exposed to and I got rigged. Okay. That is a 5 second candle. If at all you see it very well. And I don't make any adjustments. Oh, you want to see? Maybe you can. Let me just try to show you. Let me just wait for this trade to end. I don't know how long it's going to take us. Then I do what? I do open the what for you? How is it called? The threads for you. Just give me a minute. I just want to see how that one goes. Because if at all I do open the settings, I'll not be able to see how it goes. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, that is a good one. Hi, 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 hi. Hi, Risan. Settings for indicators. What I'm going to show them to you. Hi, everyone, guys. Hi, Miss. Hi, Kunda. Hi, Kunda, something like that. I'm sorry about saying that. Hi, Kunda. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. It really means a lot. It really means a lot. Someone is saying from one. Yes, I'm also wondering. I'm also wondering how I've gotten to 8,000 already like this. Let me just hope it does not blow and it goes like the opposite way in our second hour. Because I'm also wondering, guys, if you've been here for the longest time, you realize that we really, really take a lot of time, like reach some kind of like a level, and then we keep going back and forth to the market, and we get stuck around maybe 5,000 to that's I think where we always get stuck at 5,000 and 7,000 there. I don't know about today. Trust me. To be honest, I don't know about today. I don't know why today it is being so friendly. I think it's now trying to trick me with something. I get comfortable. Then it blows out everything in the end. I don't know about today. I'm also confused. Why is it so nice to me? Why is it so nice? I'm going to buy. Okay. I know why it's being so nice to me. It's not always like this. It's not always like this. I don't know. Some yeah, really. I'm sorry about that. How is yours? Is mine like um behind or is it in front? I don't know about it. Is it behind or is it in front? Hmm? Do you say behind or in front? I don't know about it. Do tell me. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Let us keep going. Okay, guys. Someone is like markets closed. Not today. Not mine. Mine is open. OTC is open, guys. I always keep on telling you. OTC is open. OTC is open 24/7. Like that's why I'm always like I keep on telling you every day that I do trade every day. Please don't wonder why I do trade every day. I do trade every day, each and every day, unless otherwise, unless something up or unless I'm aware or up to something, then I'll give it a break. But I always trade. And guys, you don't wonder how because I do trade OTC and OTC is open like 24/7. I don't know, unless there is something I don't know about, please. Unless there is something I don't know about. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Trust me, today the market is being so friendly with me. I don't know about it. I don't know what it is taking me into the next hour. I don't know because it is always not like this. It is always not like this. Guys, are you having a problem with my feedback because my network today? I'm so happy when you don't make it. Unfortunately, I'm going to make it. So I think this time you're going to kill yourself because I'm going to make it. I'm sorry about that. I am sorry about that. If you're happy if I don't make it, it's going to kill you. But I'm going to make it. Anyway, let's proceed. Let us proceed. Let us proceed. Okay. Hi, Jesse. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? Hi, Millionaire. No, Million Run. Millionaire. I think it's Millionaire. Hi, how are you? Hi, King of Sense. How are you? Hi, everyone. Let us keep going. Thank you guys for joining. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I do love the positivity around here. It kind of gives that clean environment. It kind of gives that clean environment around. Okay, my network is really, really too bad today. What about you guys? I don't know if you're having a problem with feedback. I don't know. How is the feedback there? Because Anyway, let us keep going, guys. Like I said, feel free to what? Feel free to tell me about it. Feel free to tell me anything, to ask me anything in the comment section. Anything you would want to know, feel free to ask me anything. Guys, like I said, please and please subscribe to the channel. To really mean a lot to me. Subscribe to the channel and keep on liking. Yes, keep on liking our videos. Don't pass by it. Just keep on liking. And guys, to stick around, just subscribe to the channel with the notification button. Guys, I always promise. I don't see the people. I've always kept on promising. How did it go? I always promise people. I always kept on promising you guys. Maiwa, I'm going to pin the telegram. I'm going to pin the telegram. I'm going to pin the telegram. And I think I spent over like 2 weeks without pinning it. But today, I finally did pin it yesterday, though I was not able to trade because I had a lot going on. But then I managed to pin it there, guys. Thank you so much. Someone is like, I'm really happy when I take profit. Thank you so much. And really goes both ways. I really like it when I take profit too. I really like it when I take profit too. I really like it when I take profit too. Guys, thank you so much. And someone is like, my strategy is support and resistance. Yes, my strategy is support and resistance. And if you've been watching closely, I've been so much following that trend to see if I'm going to have at 100, if I'm going to make a resistance level. I've been focusing so much on that. Okay. Someone's like asking what is happening here is binary options trading. Yeah, that is what is happening here. Binary options trading. And we are using a pocket option as the platform. I think, okay, I think I opened more than one trade, but it is okay. Oh, I opened more than one. It will be unfortunate if it does not go well because my network is bad, so I'm kind of trying to open and lagging and all that. Let me just stay hopeful and see how it goes. Don't do it. Just come out good. Come out good. Guys, like I already said, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for sticking around. And those who are always asking about the trading, which is not personal trading, that is we are going to begin it next week. Yeah, we're going to be able to begin it next week. So yeah, next week we are set to go. Let me zoom out a little bit, and oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. About that. I don't know about how the feedback is coming out there, but let me hope it is not as bad as it seems to be. Okay, hi everyone. Someone is asking about the Telegram. Yes, I do have the Telegram. I do have the Telegram. It is pinned in my description. I finally pinned it there, guys. I finally did it. Okay, someone is like, can you trade as we? Okay, okay. They ain't displaying the same chat. I think someone just explained it earlier that YouTube is like take 10 seconds 10 seconds behind. So yeah, that's right. We are a bit YouTube is behind. So yeah. Someone explained it to you. I think that's why you're having that kind of feeling where you feel like um seconds I like my chat comes in seconds later because I'm trying to what trying I'm trying to what? I'm trying to. I sorry. Someone is like that's why it's coming because it is displaying the just seconds later. That's why we're having different sets. don't have chance to colorating at the same time. And I'm sorry about that. I wish I could help, or I wish we could do it on another platform, but that is a good one. Let us hope it says that way. Guys, there is a way I open three trades at the same time, and we lost it. That is so sad. All of a sudden, we lost it. But anyway, I'm going to buy here because I'm seeing the trend is coming a bit up, and I think it hit the what is it called, the breakout point, because we've always been having some kind of resistance, I mean, sorry, support levels. And the way it did exceed the support level from where we had expected it to go, to bounce back up again. So after reaching the breakout point, I do expect it to bounce back. That's why I did buy. So here we are. I vote, and let's see how it goes. Someone is like, let me DM you. Okay, I'll meet you there. I'll reply to the message. Hi, Chun Chun. Thank you so much for joining in. Guys, they've not told me where guys are from, where guys are watching me from. No one has been able to do tell me, but it is okay. It is okay. Like guys, like I expected it to go back up after hitting this level. So yeah, that's why I did buy. So let's expect good results. Okay, that is a good one. That is a good one. That is a good one. Someone is asking about basically what I always do. I do follow a support and resistance because I do expect it to hit us a certain level. Like today, we've been having our resistance level at this point, like 108. That is where our resistance level has been so much today. That's why you see me selling. I don't know if it's going to exceed. So whenever it reaches that resistance level, I always sell. Though sometimes it does not go as I predicted or something like that, but yeah, it does not go as I predicted. But let us go. Someone from Nepal, Chin from Nepal, thank you so much. Someone is like, I hope it's back this. No, it's a weekend and I'm trading OTC. So yeah, that is why I'm able to trade over the weekend because people are like, the market is closed on weekend. But for me, mine is open. And maybe if you try to see, you try to so as you pay, you'll find out just what you pay. I don't know about this open. Maybe you try and see. Okay, what is the moving average? It is 10. Yes, 10. Okay, that is not a good one, but it's okay. Let us keep going. My moving average, like I said, guys, when I reach a certain level, I kind of feel like this market is going to backstab me all of a sudden. Okay, someone wants to see my moving average. My period is set to 10. Okay. Did you see that, Ivan? Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's keep going. I knew something was fishy. I knew something was fishy because the way it was so nice to me at the beginning. I kept on wondering why. It's a good market day. But anyway, so we've been there. I've not gone beyond that. Like I said, our target today is 10,000 because but if it really goes to 10,000, we will have a lot of time remaining. We can proceed with the trading. Maybe we can do some challenges. Like someone last time challenged me to trade a 5 second trade. Basically, that is so unpredictable. Someone is like, 5 seconds is so not easy to predict. You don't know even where to start from. I don't know how people do it. I don't know how people do it. Let us keep going. Let's keep going. Sounds like typical retailer, typical wholesaler, wholesaler. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Guys, like I said, thank you so much. Those who are new to the channel, please and please, I would request you to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button. So that anytime you are live, maybe if you're interested in you could join us. Yeah, we're always live every day. Unless something has happened, maybe that's when I could kind of retreat a bit. But we always live each and every day. Someone is like, what is super trend period? It's also 10. It is also 10. I think for super trend is set to default. Okay, that is a good one. It is set to default, so it is 10. Yeah, let me show you. Maybe I may say something when there are little kind of changes when I'm misleading. Let me be sure. Yeah, it is 10. It is 10. Hey, okay, guys, that was a good one. So far, not so bad. I could not say it is a bad. Hi guys, thank you guys for joining in. Hi Muzaffar, someone I could not read because of language barrier. Hi Forex courses leaked for free. Okay, hi, how are you? Hi Mr. Latines, is it Latinemis? Hi, how are you? Hi everyone. Hi his. Thank you so much for joining. Hi Pia. Someone is asking what my strategy is. My strategy is support and resistance, and if my moving averages are not set to are set to 10. Yes, are set to 10. Hi Andrew, how are you? Thank you so much. My moving averages. saying someone is like, where are you from? I'm in Abu Dhabi right now, but if you want about, I'm clearly tell I'm not an Emirati. I'm from East Africa, but I'm in Abu Dhabi right now. Yes, I think I answered the question. Hi guys. Hi. Let me see how this one goes. Let me test it out and see if you're going to do. Did I? Okay. Those dots I did pin my telegram. It is there. It is there. I did pin it, so you can check it out. I did pin it. You can check it out. Like I promised, guys. I already told you that after we reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to pin it. And I did pin it, yes. Though I was not able to trade, but I did do as I promised. Someone is like, what strategy are you using? My strategy is support and resistance. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Hits. Hi, Paris. How are you? Thank you so much for joining in. Guys, whenever I open more than one page, it gets risky, it gets weird, but it is okay. Yes. Like, guys, if I told you, I promise you, I'm going to loop in the Telegram channel, and that is what I did. So you check it out. Just haven't checked yet. It's a good one. We have 9,000 already. That's so good. Okay. We're having a downtrend now, guys. That's why you see it selling. Like for me, I said my strategy is support and resistance. I just follow the trend. I'm saying my trend, I'm only looking for the resistance level. And I'm having an uptrend. I'm going to what? I'm going to keep on buying until I reach that level. Expect it to go down, then I'm going to sell. So when it hits that level, because I think our resistance level was at 106. So when I saw it going below that, that's why I kept on buying. It was 106. That's where our resistance level was. So and I feel like it is so below it. That's why. Yeah. Is it one? Was it 106? What was it? Let me check again a little bit. So that's why I kept on buying. That's why now you see me selling. What am I using? I'm using super trend and moving averages. If you can see clearly here. Yeah, the moving average and the yes, please. 1 minute. Yes, please. Okay. We are at 10. Today, guys, I don't. Let me even withdraw. Let me just try to withdraw this cash and put it in my safe, and then we do again because I was like, then my target is set to 10,000. Yeah, but okay. My target is kind of still. Let me withdraw my profits and then we proceed because that's what I said to do. Money targeting. So let's just keep on going. My network is too slow, too slow. Okay. No, what did I do? No. I'm sorry about that, guys. I'm sorry about that. Yes, surprisingly, it is already 10. I don't know how, like, guys, like today, me, I said this market is just flirting with me because it is always not this good to me. It is always not this good to me. So I don't know about today, guys. My network. But let's keep on going. Okay, let's start afresh. Let us start afresh. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, let us see. Let us do it again. Let us do it again. So today let me focus on let me see if we could get 10,000 again. Now I'm being greedy. To be honest. Now I'm being greedy, but let us keep going and see how it goes. Let us keep going and see how it goes, guys. Those who have been here with me I think today this is the shortest time where we've reached our target. The shortest time possible, because some of the times we set our targets to even less than 12,000 and we fail to reach it, and we do fail to reach it in the span of 2 hours. We do fail, we keep going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and we really, really fail to reach it. But let's keep going. Let us see how this one goes. Let us see how it goes. Let us see how it goes. Someone was challenging me last time. Someone was challenging me last time about what kind of guys you can challenge me and be like, you trade this amount, this kind of time, this amount, as long as we're not going up above what, above 1,000. I mean, okay, that is, I think today I'm being lucky. As long as we're not going above 1 minute, because then if we're going above 1 minute, it will kind of get boring. Okay, let us keep going. Okay, those who have been asking me about my Telegram channel, I finally pinned it in the description. Yes, guys, feel free to check it out. Feel free to check it out. Yep. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot. It really means a lot. It really means a lot. Someone, hi, Jessica, hi. Good luck on the market for today. Today we are lucky. Maybe today is those good days. Like, let me be nice to this one today, just for today. I don't know about tomorrow, but today let me be nice, because I feel like we always have the hardest time in our second hour. We keep on struggling. Yeah. Yes, and I think Andrew has been here for some time, and he has really seen how much we struggle to reach the 10,000 each and every day. He has been here, he knows. He knows it is always a struggle. It is really always a struggle, guys. Today, I'm going to trade for 5 hours. I'm joking. I don't have the push. I don't have the push. Too lazy. And I could be bragging about it all, showing off my skills and always like that. And then it was back. Yes, high wind today. It is really, yeah, it is a high wind today. I don't know about it, but then what should we do? My moving average is set to 10. Yeah, it is set to 10. Yep, it's moving average set to 10. Hi, Bo, how are you? I hope I answered your question. Hi, Kill Up, how are you? The moving average is set to 10. So it's kind of confusing. I'm having a sideways. So I don't know where to go. I don't know where to go. I'm just there. Let me just wait for it a little bit to see how it's going to go. Yes, hike up. Since I'm in no rush, it's just having a sideways, and they are very, really very high, very difficult to resquare. It is 108. It has not yet gone so far beyond this, so I'm thinking it's going to come back down, unless otherwise there's been so much on this. Let me just see how it goes. Okay. Hi, thank you so much for joining, guys. Those who are new here, please and please subscribe to the channel. It will really mean a lot, and it will keep us it will be. We shall be able to keep in touch for some time. So just stick around, please. Just stick around, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, I hope it's. I think it's. Let me just wait for it. Just like two more points. Then yeah. Hi, Patience. How are you? Nice to see you again today, Patience. Hope everything is okay. Hope everything is okay. Hope everything is moving on well for you guys. For everyone who is here, everyone has saved your time for me. Hope everything goes on well for you. The traders, hope you hit that hope you hit that bag already. Hope you hit that bag already. So yeah, like I expected to go down, because I'd have not seen it going beyond this point today. So I expected it to move so down. Hi Jason, how are you? What is your period in moving average 10? Yes. So someone asking why is the chart not the same? I think it's because of the platform, it's because of the YouTube. That's why I've got a lot of about that. And initially, I could not tell the reason as to why. I could not tell us the reason as to why it is always low, but I think it's because of YouTube. You can It's a little bit behind, so that's why we don't have the same charge. It is in Is it? It could be. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Sometimes I also feel like the reason as to why we have different like just it could be time frame. We have different time frames. Sometimes I would love to think about that. Mm, I don't know. Yes. Okay. Tell me what is AMA and what it means. If someone is talking, tell me. EMA is exponential moving averages. That's what you're asking. It is exponential, and SMA is simple moving averages. So, what kind of question is that? But I hope I answered your question. Thank you so much. That is flow trade. Hi, Easy Knowledge. Hi, Jason. Hi, how are you? Okay, let us keep going. Um. Let us. Okay. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Hi, Jen Legend. Hi, how are you? Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much for joining in. Let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. Thank you so much. Someone is like, finally, yes, guys. Yes, guys. Someone is talking. Yes, finally. Like I promised, guys. I always promised that after we hit the 1,000 subscribers, I'm just easily going to put the link there. Yeah, someone is like, talk about foodies. What about foodies do you want me to talk about? By the way, one thing about me, people don't believe is that I'm a foodie. I eat a lot. And unfortunately, my eating a lot does not portray. Okay, my eating a lot does not portray like on my size. My size does not reflect the amount of food I eat. That is very unfortunate. That is very, very unfortunate. It's 5 seconds, Jason. It is 5 seconds. It does not. But then I feel like many people I've met who are foodies, but like some of the people I know, and it's not so much reflect their body is not so much reflect how much they eat. It's like you meet someone and you maybe you interact and you get to know and you be like, where is the food you're eating going? Where does it go? Because I don't know. I don't know how body does not just digest the food and just like discards it all. Unfortunately, I feel like most of my money, the only way I spend my money, if it is not the school bills, I'm eating food. I'm taking everyone I know. I meet you today. Tomorrow I'm like, can we go eat somewhere? I'm meeting a friend, I'm meeting a girl somewhere. I'm like, can we go and eat food somewhere? And that is all I'm doing. I'm always asking people if they want to eat. And people are like, the amount of food you eat and your body does not reflect, it doesn't make so much sense. So that's how it is. And if someone is also cooking and they could talk about it. Some of my friends are like, how I wish I could eat like you and still stay like that. Sometimes for me, I'm like, for me, I really want to gain weight. I really want to gain weight. But my big friends, my chubby friends are like, you want to lose weight. So I don't know about it. I don't know the psychology behind when you're small, you always want to gain the weight. And when you're big, you always want to lose the weight. Always like that. My network is kind of not good. It's kind of cheesy. Hi, Risan. How are you? Hi, thank you so much for joining. Thank you for tuning in. I think Recent was my first person to join in here. Guys, I be taking notes. I be like noting any everyone. Thank you so much for sticking around. It really, really means a lot to me. Thank you so much for sticking around. Okay, that is a good one. For today, I'm not blaming the market on anything. It's all well. Since I hit my target, it is all well. I'm just trying to interact. Guys, like I said, feel free to interact with me. Feel free to ask me anything. Do not get afraid. Do not be afraid. Just ask anything. Interact with me. Ask me, and I will be able to reply to you. Okay. Okay. I do it. I'm sorry about that. My chat was slow. My chat. I'm sorry about that. It is really, really, but I think it's because of my network. I think I've had a lot of complaints about that a lot today. Yes, someone is unless let me try to maybe try to try to what to let me try to be able to translate what you mean. It's like I said, I'm an English speaker, so when I told if I told maybe I can do a little bit of German. So guys, it is hard for me to reply to you if you're using a different language than I am. I'm an English speaker. I'm an English speaker. So please try to write your comments in what? In English. Yes, it will be easier for me that I don't have to go through the words, through the pain of translating and all that. Through the pain. Yeah, please, please, please do it text in English. Do text in English. I'm trying to copy it here, but I'm trying to translate it here, but it's not. I'm not thinking. I think I'm not doing a very decent job, like I would want to do. Okay, I'm not good with and sorry, someone is like I'm good with entries. Like I said, for me, I just follow that trend. I basically look at my indicators and just follow that trend. I just follow that trend, and then I I do what, like, I see the trend, I'm having an uptrend, that's why I'm going to keep on buying. I just follow the trend and my indicators. And I feel like my indicators sometimes make it so the super trend indicator. It really makes it easy. You'll see it telling me buy. And sometimes for it, it does not do it for long. It predicts for the past trend, and there is a higher chance of it coming back. But I feel like most of the time it tells me buy, sell. Though it does not predict my decision, it does not really predict my decision. But yeah, I just follow that trend. If I'm having an uptrend, then I'm going to buy. When I'm having a downtrend, if I tell it reaches that resistance level and it's going to bounce back down, I really know. And then there is this other trick I learned from someone. Whenever, unless otherwise, but whenever there is a switch on candle, maybe it was having an uptrend over bearish, and you see there is a change and it's going to bullish, it is easy. I feel like it's kind of giving me a signal that now it's going to bounce back. Maybe try to sell or try to buy something like that. It kind of does it. I don't know, guys, if you guys do those kind of things. You guys do follow those things like switching of candle. I kind of try to use that too, but that only happens if I'm trading for like 15 seconds, 5 seconds. Those ones are very hard to predict. Mostly like the 5 seconds and to 10. It's very hard. Yeah. Okay. Hi, Dylan. Is it Andrew? Hi, Del Andrew. How are you? Thank you so much for joining in today. I think the market is being so lenient. Then about you guys, how have you found it? But it's being so lenient to me. It is how it goes because we already hit our target. We'll do the money and then we are using another amount again. Okay, we shall try to see about that. We shall try to see about the Telegram part. We shall try to see about the Telegram. But I feel like I also saw that somewhere that YouTube is kinda displays 10 seconds like later, 10 seconds later. So or even site oh okay like seconds later than so by the time it displays what I'm showing, I think it has already passed. So I think that is a problem. By the time it displays what I'm showing, it has already passed. That's why I feel like it is so hard for us to trade together. There's someone also who was trying to trade with me and I was like, you buy. The moment they buy it is already like 10 seconds later and it's already gone. And then you're having different results. I'm sorry about that, guys. I'm really sorry about that. And today my network is so bad. So I think like everything is going to lag. The, the results are going to be lag. The broadcast is also going to be lagging. I'm sorry about that. Hi, Saha Acacia. Acacia. Let me try to zoom out and read your name very well. Sometimes it is my what is congested. My screen is congested and I fail to read everything. Okay. Hi, Akshay. Is that did I read it very well? Why cannot phenomenon Alpha is asking why they can't see my balance because I removed the money. I put the money to the safe. That's why you cannot see my balance. Yes, please. I put the money to the safe. We reached our target and I put the money to the safe. That's what you're asking. What I did. Okay, let us see. What platform is this? It is Pocket Options, and I do have the same platform in my description. So if you do want to use the same platform like I'm using, yes, I feel like I need some kind of endorsement when it comes to Pocket Options. Really do. And people keep on asking me, do you have some like kind of pay, something like that? No, I'm not paid because I only put it because a lot of people were asking me about it, but I'm not paid to be honest. And most people don't believe me when I say I'm not paid. But I'm going to look for the endorsement. I'm going to look for it because I'm going to be like, guys, I'm doing a great here, a great promotion job. So please, yeah, How can you trade today? Because I'm trading OTC. Because I'm trading OTC. Because I don't know how you're going to do it. Someone is asking how we're going to match. I don't know how you're going to do it. I don't know how you're going to do it because I think my life my chat is kind of delayed. It's the broadcast is delayed, so by the time you guys get to receive it, it's kind of delayed, and I'm really sorry about that. Hi Lama, how are you? Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much for joining in. Today we've been lucky. Guys, please, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for sticking around. Those who are new here, it is Brianna. We only deal with binary options trading here on this channel. Yes, and basically all we had to do in the beginning was interacting and trading. But like I promised, in no time we're going to be able to adjust maybe trading together, trading to each other because there's some kind of things that go out here and there. So we shall be able to trade. Yes, you see me here handling this kind of though I all them donations shall be able to see me handling them here and there. But like I said, I always want to show some kind of trust, some kind of way that you guys get to see me and get maybe used to me for some time before I do introduce it. But maybe beginning of next week we shall be able to do that. So guys, just stick around. If at all we are in good health and nothing is going on, we shall be able to. So let's keep going. I don't know when trading is fun, when the day is fun. There is a way how fast time flies. Like it's very very fast when we are having a good time here. Okay, let us keep going, guys. Let us keep going. I think the second period is not going as good as first. Guys can challenge me to anything because I feel like I reached my target, so I'm free to do any kind of thing. You can challenge me to anything. Maybe you can challenge me to like what you do something trade. If you do a 2 minute trade, if you can do a $1 trade or a $1,000 trade and see how we blow it out. Then I go back there after pretending for it to be okay here. We go cry about it. Let's see. Let us see how this can go. Guys, like, feel free to ask me anything. Feel free to interact with me. Ask me questions. Ask me anything you want to know. Please feel free to ask. Go with something here. One minute for problem. I don't know why I'm having this issue. I've been having this issue for some time. Having this issue for some time. Okay. Guys, I'm so sorry about the lag. I'm so sorry about the lag because I always felt that I already actually me I didn't know. I really didn't know initially about that delay. So I feel so sad that someone would want us to do up in together, but then and not because our chat is too much. Maybe my chat is slow. I'm so sad about it. Yes, I didn't know about it initially until maybe I did some research because I was receiving a lot of complaints. Why is your chat lag? Why is your chat late? Why is your chat different from mine? So when I did some research, I was like, and I kind of felt so sad about it. I just hope I did not mislead the person who was trying to trade with me. Hi, Torin. Hi, how are you? I don't know what you mean. Please try to elaborate more about what you mean. Maybe I would get to know, or maybe I could give an explanation. What do you mean it's not live price? Please do explain. Yes, do explain, do explain. Okay, let us keep going. Time flies so fast. Time flies so fast. I just want us to reach 5,000 on this. I don't know if you're going to be able to do it. I feel like we're so stuck around 2,000. I would want us to reach 5,000 on this second batch we are doing. I would really, really love it to reach 10,000. I mean 5,000. So let me just keep pushing for that and see. This one is not done so good. Like I said, in the second hour, market turns against me. It really does. The second hour, if the first hour moves on so well, the second hour is terrible. I don't, guys. Is it the same? Is it the same thing with you guys? It is really terrible. Has someone noticed that? Maybe my network is slowing me down. Guys, I'm so sorry about that today. I feel like you've had a lot of complaints about it. I'm so sorry about that today. It went on well because okay, let us keep going because we're having a down trade. That's why guys, you're seeing me buying. I keep on buying. I mean selling. I'm sorry, I'm selling because I'm having a down trade. Like I can't see with my indicators there showing me I'm having a down trade. Let me see how it does not drop yet so much. Okay, all right. So that's why you're seeing me selling. Yeah. Guys, feel free to ask me anything, even though it's about my trading journey. I feel like I've not got enough questions about my trading journey a lot. Just to ask. Okay. Hi everyone. Hi Pero. Hi. Hi. Thank you so much for joining. I do love the positivity. I do really appreciate the positivity. So let us keep going. Guys, like I already said, please do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube. I'm focusing on reaching 5K for this one. The remaining 12 minutes. I don't know if you're going to hit it. We failed to hit it in in the 30 minutes. I want to hit it in 12 minutes. And I'm done with it. That is how I want it to go. That is how I want it to go. After failing it, reach it in 30 minutes. I want to reach 5,000 in 12 minutes. Anyway, let us keep going. Time frame is 5 seconds. Yes, please. Yes. Okay. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. Now we are having an uptrend. Guys, like you can see my indicators are showing you reason as to why, because for me my indicators really show me, and what they show me, if I say, I told I'm having, like guys have been explaining about my strategy, the support and resistance. I follow so much trend, and for me it is easy. Like I say, if I told I'm having an uptrend, what I only do is buying. So basically that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be buying. That is what I'm doing here. That is what I'm doing here. Okay. Yes, my network has been so ugly today. I don't know how the feedback is there, but has not been so good today. Okay, that is a good one. Okay, we are almost there. We are almost. We are only fi- uh, $500 away, and if we are done with that, I think it's really